these changes. Oh, now the world is a scary place. Now that you won't